Hello everybody, and it's Buzzkill. Try and make a video out because I didn't have the time to, and this is just gonna be a channel update. I wanted to show that I need more subscribers because I need more than this. You guys want to keep it up, but I like the views and stuff. I've been looking. So I've been a little sick, but yeah, me and Olgan will be trying to make more videos together. So I might be making a channel, a better one and a better name, cause yeah. Or I might be keeping this one. It depends. If you guys comment down below if you guys want me to keep this channel, or get a different channel with the better stuff and stuff like that. And yeah. And I'll see you guys later and comment down below. And I'm gonna be when I get my Xbox, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download Minecraft maps and Grand Theft Auto maps. Like not like the games, like the people not to download, but yeah. But if my GTA starts working again, so see you guys there. Goodbye.